Welcome back to our compilation of ultimate solutions for parents who want to keep their baby safe and secure. Both while sleeping and around the house. As a parent, you know how important it is to keep an eye on your little one. But constantly checking on them can be exhausting and time-consuming. That's where these helpful gadgets and tools come in. Socks that won't let your kid slip and fall. These are a must-have for your baby's safety. Keep your baby dry and comfortable through these nappy pants. A foldable mini armchair where your kid can sit, sleep, lay, or jump on.